Hey, Professor Vinster here. Do you remember the Little Red Wagon that used to do all the wheelies at the drag strips? Well, this isn't it. This is actually a Ford. So, it was the best one that I could find a print of. So I decided to make my own wheelie truck, or start my own wheelie truck. And here we go. So as of right now, this removes like this, and everything is made 3D other than the transmission, the motor, and the drivetrain, and of course the bolts. So here's the inside of it. Now it actually at this point doesn't pull wheelies, because we're working on getting a little bit better speed control that'll handle it. The other one I was using was copping out on me. So, but other than that, this thing will, more than likely by the time we're done, pull wheelies. Just a 540 motor in it right now, but I'm not sure. This is all trainees done up with bearings in it, and even right straight through to the drive shafts. Drive shafts are actually PETG or PETG, so done on the printer, and the front wheels and the back wheels are done with TPU, which are rubber. Now these ones aren't the best rubber. These are a little more slick than the ones I normally use now. These I built before, so they actually do a lot of spinning on the hardwood floors, but we'll see what happens. And if not, we'll go to maybe like a foam. But the other stuff I got has a little more grip now. So I'm going to exchange this for the body. Put this here, bring the body over. Now when I was building the body, I built this a little ways back. And the reason the body is done like this with putty and Bondo is because for some reason my nozzle clogged up a bit in my flash forge, and it wasn't sending out enough filament. So in here we actually put in some glass, or some epoxy glass. I filled it in, so that made it look like this, kind of more of a rougher truck. But what a cool design. And I got the headlights, and I've got it made up so that it actually runs right now. It can run. And then I actually made these seats for it. These seats are made out of TPU, and they're flexible, and they're going to stay the same color they are right now, and they're going to have the seat belts on them. And not really impressed with the paint jobs of these guys right now, but these are the guys that are going to be driving and sitting in the truck. So I've got a little bit more work to do on them. Yeah, kind of designed these off a skull, and I put some flames in their hair. This guy here is the driver. So they're going to go inside the truck, and I might have to heat that spot up there, put it so it fits the seat a little better. Other than that, that's pretty cool. So I keep looking over there because that's where my my screen is, so I can see what I'm showing you properly. So these guys can go back there, and they go there. And here's a wheel that I made. This one here, I put it's got filler in it, like a honeycomb, which I shouldn't have done. I'm not using it on the truck. It's okay for sitting on the shelf, but it actually has flat spots because of where, if you roll it, it doesn't exactly roll right. But this is actually how I made it. So yeah. So if you can see in there, that's how it's got a flat spot in there, cakes in, and these are TPU rims, and I'm sorry, PETG rims, TPU rubber. So we'll get that right sooner or later. And back to the truck again. So I've also got an interior in the truck. I don't know if we can see that. Oh yeah, you can see it. So I'm starting an interior in the truck. So then when the seats go in, we'll be able to put them in. And they'll sit inside. Like that, like so. Yeah, if I turn it on an angle, there you go. That's not bad. Actually, let's go look through the front. So let's see if we can shove a guy in there. Yeah, let's see if we can put one of the guys in here. Alright, come on. Yeah, the hair's a little too high. So we'll have to do some work on the hair. And that'll give a bit of an idea. So, there you go. So those guys will be inside it. Okay, and I have it made up here. The front of the truck in here has a unit that it's like a hinge that goes on the front of here. That'll go in. Actually, you can pretty well see. I'm trying to do the best I can here. It'll flip into there like that. The body will be able to go up like this and be able to come down. And that'll sit like that. So that'll be the body. The back. It's pretty wild. And it's low to the ground, get a rag truck. And when it takes off, it'll actually pick up. And we'll do some experimenting with it and stuff like that. And hopefully we'll run it this spring, which we're already in the spring now. You wouldn't know it from the odd day we're having snow and stuff like that. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that. And the next step will be to paint it. And yeah. So we'll paint it. And is this a good look for me? I don't think so. Yeah, we'll paint it. And then we'll get it out there to see how fast it can go and see if we can roll it and do all that kind of stuff, because I got a feeling this thing's going to be fast.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.